Lots of YouTubers are talking about how YouTube has changed their lives. But the question that you're going to be asking yourself as a new YouTuber or someone thinking about starting a YouTube channel is it going to change my life? Can it change my life in 2026? And in this video, we're going to talk about that. So I've made this video myself talking about how YouTube has changed my life so far, a year of doing YouTube. But I was thinking about it from your perspective. What you want to know is it going to change your life? And the answer is, it could, and maybe it won't. And it really depends on you. It depends what you want from your channel and what you're willing to put into it. So when we're asking ourselves, is this going to be life-changing? Most people's minds probably gravitate to, am I going to make money from this? Am I going to make enough money from it that I have extra disposable income? That I'm going to supplement my full-time job or my retirement? Or could it become my main source of income? Could I give up my 9-to-5 job? Ultimately, people want to earn more money for putting in less time. People want more time back in their lives without the sacrifice of losing money. Ideally, we want more money and more time. And some people will tell you that YouTube can be an outlet for that. And it can. And it is, like it is for certain people that have done it. But when you're watching channels that have got 100,000 subscribers or 1 million subscribers telling you how it's changed their life, then it's very hard to relate to that when you are just starting out. For me, I'm about 1 year almost into doing YouTube. I'm not monetized yet. I have made some money from or through YouTube. Not life-changing. I haven't quit my job, but it has changed my life in other ways, which I'll talk about in a minute. But by contrast to that, I'm going to tell you about someone who started their channel less than a week ago at the point of recording this. I think they did their first video 6 days ago. And I'm going to put a link to her channel in the description so you can go and check her out. She's done 2 videos in that first 6 days. At the point I last checked this morning, she'd had about 80,000 views across those 2 videos, and she was just shy of 4,000 subscribers. So she's, from that volume of views, and obviously having surpassed the 1,000 subscribers, she will have qualified for AdSense, and she can start making money now through AdSense. Now, I'm not going to tell you that AdSense revenue on its own is going to change your life, unless you are a huge channel getting hundreds of thousands of views on every video. Then it's not going to make life-changing money. But if you are trying to supplement your income, then that could be life-changing for you. And she has proven that you can do that in less than a week. So take her word for it and not mine, because I've not done that yet. But it just goes to show that it can happen. So if you're just starting out, that could be you. Equally, you could be me and be a year in and, progressing, but not quite at that level yet. So it can change your life, and it depends on what you're willing to put into it. You could be like her and monetize really quickly, and with that might come sponsorships. As you grow a channel to a decent size, you become credible to then offer things like coaching, depending on what your channel's about. And that's my target, is to do coaching eventually. I do already offer coaching, and there are links in the description if you're interested. You could very quickly, if your journey was to evolve like hers has, you could very soon find yourself in a position where you're getting ad revenue, where you're getting sponsorships, where you have then got a small coaching business. And depending on what your financial situation is, that might actually mean that you can give up your 9-to-5. And you have more financial freedom, more time freedom, and then that's it, you're living the dream. So it just goes to show the power of YouTube and what it can do. Equally, if you were like me, you could be a year in, you might be seeing growth in your channel, you can see it moving in the right direction, but you're going to have to keep putting the reps in. You're going to have to keep going. You're going to have to show perseverance to take the channel where you want to take it to. So can it change your life? Yes, absolutely. In that sense of, making more money, getting more time back in your life, yes, it can. It could happen in a week. It could take a year. It could take 2 years. And I can't guarantee you which way your journey is going to look. But if you persevere with it, you absolutely can. But it can change your life in other ways. It's changed my life in other ways. Maybe not in the exciting ways of being able to give up your day job and earning lots of money, but from a year ago when I started, I didn't know about video editing. I didn't know about, what makes, good videos, what makes people click on videos. If you think about how you package your video, your title and your thumbnail, it's essentially marketing. You're selling that video to a potential viewer out of, a lot of competition from other channels. So you have to kind of teach yourself about marketing. How do I sell this video to someone so that they're going to click on that over other people's? And you start to learn about that. And so there's skills that you acquire, skills that are transferable, marketing, video editing, cinematography. If, you make, cinematic videos for YouTube, you learn about that. You learn about the technical side of it, like, gear that you use, microphones, cameras, lighting. These are all things that I didn't really know much about when I started. So, and these are all skills that I could take into other things if I wanted to as well. I've met lots of people, lots of like-minded creators in this last year since I started my channel. I've made friendships outside of the platform, people that I talk to on a daily basis. That's life-changing. New friendships, new connections. You see people on YouTube that inspire you every day. Like this channel that I've just mentioned that I'm going to link in the description. That is super inspiring. Somebody in their 60s who started filming on their phone in their car, and then less than a week later, they've monetized their YouTube channel. That's massively inspiring. And for you guys watching, if you're starting a channel or have recently started a channel, that's massively inspiring. That's why I'm going to put a link to her channel in my description, because you should go and watch that video and see for yourself that actually that is possible. Because I know a lot of you will be watching this and you'll be saying, well, okay, I'm a month in and I've not had that. I'm 3 months in and I've not had that. And I see people commenting on my videos saying the same thing. But I was there too, right? I, first few months didn't really move my channel at all. In fact, it's only been in the last 2 months that I've gone from 300 subscribers to 850. This time in my last video, I was about 700 subscribers. So I'm starting to see that growth. It has taken time, and that's why everyone's journey is different. And that's why we can't compare ourselves to other people. It would be easy to go and see someone who's had relative success overnight and then compare yourself to them and say, well, I failed, so I'm going to give up. But, take it from me. Had I given up 2 or 3 months in because I was comparing myself to someone like that, then I wouldn't have got to this point. And I know people will watch this and say, you've not got very far yourself yet, Steve. And I know people will think that because people leave comments like that on the videos sometimes. Hello to them, by the way. But, it's all relative, and we're all running our own race here. So can YouTube change your life? It can. It can happen for you very quickly, or it can take time. And if it's going to take time, it relies on you not giving up, to keep going, to keep pushing through, to keep striving for improvement, looking at your videos and understanding where you could improve, where you could make little changes. I'm not talking about rushing out and buying expensive gear. It's just, you'll start to get more comfortable on camera with time. You'll you'll start to learn about your titles and thumbnails and how you can make them better over time. And by just persevering, always thinking about your audience first when making videos, and just showing up every week and giving YouTube that confidence in you as a creator, then you should start to see growth. And if you keep going with it and you're determined, then there's no reason why it can't change your life as well. So yeah, I was just inspired to make this video after seeing her channel do so well in this last 7 days. Somebody actually linked me her channel, and I was just gobsmacked at how someone could just switch their phone on in their car and completely, not unwittingly, obviously she probably decided she wanted to grow a YouTube channel, but I bet she, this time last week, she had no idea what the next 7 days would bring. And that's just so exciting for her, and I'm so pleased for her. I don't know her, but I'm so pleased that she has done it. And if you are sitting there debating whether to do it, go and watch her channel, watch her first video, and I hope you take the inspiration, and I hope that inspires you to go and make your first one. So that's my thought for today. Anyway, it's raining, it's really miserable. I'm going to go back home now, but I hope you have a great week. If you haven't hit record yet, do it. If you have and you're just starting and you feel like you're not getting anywhere just yet, keep going. And yeah, I'm going to see you in the next one, and I'm going to leave you to a link to this video. Go and have a watch of that, and I'll see you over there. Okay.